After trying this type of ice cream, I'll guarantee you that you'll stop eating the normal one. So the frozen type or Faluda type chocolate ice cream is one of my favorite ice cream, which is unique in its flavor, also in the texture, which is frozen from inside, creamy from outside. And this recipe is dedicated for all the chocolate lovers. So before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel for the rules. For that, you need to click that red color subscribe button given below my videos. Click that and click that appeared bell icon and click all for notifications. So I've taken a vessel in which I'm going to add 1 cup of whole fat milk. Then I'm going to add about 1/8 cup of cocoa powder. This is Dutch processed cocoa powder. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of instant coffee powder. You can also use espresso powder or chocolate flavor Vita, that's up to you. Then I'm going to add 1/8 cup of chopped chocolate. This is compound dark chocolate which is of semi-sweet. Then I'm going to mix everything again. Then I'm going to place it on a stove on medium low flame. When you keep it on the flame, you need to continuously stir it so that all the chocolate get melted. When everything get melted, you need to put off the flame and mix it again and again so that it get velvety and gradually cools down. Meanwhile, we are going to whip the cream. For that, I've taken a vessel which is very chilled and I've added like 250 ml of fresh cream and 200 ml of thick fresh cream. So what I have done is I've taken 2 sachets of fresh cream, which one I've added directly and another one I kept it in the refrigerator for 24 hours and added only the top thick part so that the water get remained down and I can have a handle on the texture of my ice cream. You can check out the description to buy the ingredients online. Thoroughly mix it with spoon. Then use a electrical beater to whip it. You can also use a hand whisker or else a fork, that's up to you. If you have strength, you can do anything. You can see here I've arranged a ice bath bottom of it so that it will help the cream to whip without breaking into butter. You need to whip it around 2 minutes on high speed. Then I'm going to add like 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. You can use more sugar if you want your ice cream to be sweet. Then whip it again. You need to whip it now on high speed till everything get double in volume. After that, you need to pour your chocolate mixture and whip it until the corner of the vessels get some large bubbles like this. So in this ice cream recipe, you need not whip till stiff peaks, only the double volume is enough. When everything is ready, arrange a plastic tub, add some kisses or chocolate chunks of your choice, add some chocolate syrup, your chocolate mixture, and freeze it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So freeze it until it becomes frozen. So to check out the social media, you can always check it in the description box below. When it get frozen, you can see here the top will be creamy but the bottom will be like a frozeny ice cream one. You can see how chocolatey it is. Do you think this chocolate ice cream is made at home? This type of chocolate ice cream, you can't imagine how it tastes. Even when you taste it, you will be like living in heaven. So this is a very unique recipe. Do try it. You can always enjoy it by adding some chocolate syrup to it. So you can also check out my recipes of Hindi and also Telugu by clicking the buttons of respectively. And you can also check another videos by clicking the playlist. Thank you for choosing my video. Bye.